Yeah. $20 each, pump kits.
Come get them while they're hot.
Tariq, let's see what we got here. Goalkeeper kit, pink and brown, number 99. Thank you very much.
That one's for me. Don't ask about it, you know?
What else we got in the bag? What else does Santa Wags bring for us? That's cool.
One that is, I'm pretty sure that they sell.
I got a scene sticker. That's me. 25.
Get the tag in there.
They give it to me like they trying to make a million babies. I'm really their favorite. They calling for me, don't even seem to know what nigga.
Oh, there he is. Special delivery.
The specialist.
Alright, here we go. This is what we came up with. Wait, have you seen any of our POMFC stuff or no?
No.
Man, it kind of looks like Sao Paulo.
Yeah, let's go. Somebody picked up on it.
Dude, I like them a lot.
Come on. Thank you.
I give them
How many booms?
5 booms.
Have you ever got this one before or no? Do you know this song?
No.
Holy wanker. Wanker?
Right now I'm at the jerk spot, Kensington Market. Just ordered a big up the gal them, but I just ordered a curry roti, spicy, green thing. You know the thing. And gonna eat on a rainy day here in Toronto. I'm pretty excited for this food, not gonna lie. I think it's gonna hit the spot. Nice cold day. Get the nose running a little bit. Warm me up. Fill me up. Big up, big up. We're a young fun bar right now. I told my son he may not be a cheerleader. He may not be a cheerleader, but he might have to catch a body. Because remember the guys said the police bikers said I cannot take any photos.
Can I be as well?
So
Okay, can you hold this? Is a police car behind me?
yeah.
We have a used bookstore find. The bread of the early years, a Heinrich Bowl, an early Heinrich Bowl, 1955 Heinrich Bowl, an original, $30 original, with an inscription, a Christmas gift from 1976. Heinrich Bowl.
VIPs only.
VIPs.
Sweets. The sweets over there.
Where'd we go? On gate 11?
He said, start walking, buddy.
Damn it. How did we get these, man? Shout out who?
That girl's like, how did you guys afford these tickets? He said, lady, we're the owners of POM.
Very anticlimactic finish to this. I think that's just the entrance.
That's sick, bro.
I thought it was legit.
No,
You want to play on our team? You gotta come to Winnipeg, though.
Oh, hell no.
You guys trying to come to Winnipeg play on our team or what?
What do you think of the kit? We made this kit.
What's like the pay? Though?
Is this a tough kit or no?
Yeah,
What do
it
you
is.
guys think?
That's pretty good.
You guys will play for us?
Well, what's the pay though? Like,
Bro.
Option on to go on loan. I don't know. It's like
the contract like NDA.
Yeah, I know.
so one season only.
There's girls on the team.
It's a co-ed. It's a co-ed.
Now you guys are good.
What do you think, Woody?
Yeah, this one fits you a lot better, eh?
I think we're sneaking him in there in the palm kit for some reason. Okay, let's go.
We're trying to sneak a palm kit in the Royal Castle.
This is Mission Impossible 5.
Holy smokes. Oh, God. Holy, I hit my head.
Should we play again?
I'm gonna get a picture from
Kind of a
outside.
bit of a panel discussion, got some students up here. What do you think, Bob? This is Muddy Waters, the song.